Alright, this is the elevator here at the Bloomingdale store at King of Prussia Mall, King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. Just went up. Gotta talk over this music. Oh, look at that, it's still got the drop key. Here it is. Let's go up to 3. Button already went out. Indicator's burned out. Go back down to 1. I'd say that this is somewhat nicer than the Bloomingdale's in Mill Grove. It doesn't have as dark an interior. However, the indicator does not work on this one, but the buttons light up. Take another ride. Coming down?
Yeah.
Alright, which one?
I'm going to the second floor.
Alright.
Thanks.
Alright, have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Again, your basic elevator. I guess the certificate is kept in... Oh, no, wait, there it is. And, ooh, look at the expiration date on that. We'll go up to 3. Now we'll end the tour on 2. Alright. Door closes when you push the button, I like that. Ooh, the doors kind of slam a little bit. Yeah, let's see. It's just your standard cabinet with the fan is. There it goes, and that's it.